but you think he'd at least be able to write his name?
Yeah. No.
No. He's like a streak.
So left to Riemann sum, I get 17.6. You got 17.5. We're probably okay. If you got 12, I need to talk to you.
How do you get 12?
That's why I need to talk to you.
Oh boy, the midpoint's a picture. Oh, it just doesn't make sense why they have the middle here, which is like 3.5.
11.5, 16.5.
So I got 3 plus 4 plus 4.6 to be consistent with the earlier guess I made, plus 5 plus like 5.3, 5.3, 10, 3, 14, 9, 21, 9, 10, 21, 9. I got 21.9. Again, if you're in the same ballpark, we're probably fine. If you've got 4.2, we need to have a conversation. Oh,
What did you get?
at 21.9. Yeah, I got 21.9. I can't lie to you. It's what I got. I got to stick with what I got.
I didn't add those. But yeah.
Okay. And now I'm going to do, in the lovely color of pink, a midpoint Riemann sum. I'm going to break 5 into 2 pieces. That would be 2.5 is my midpoint. And there's my rectangle break. What's my halfway point for 2.5? Oh, 1.25-ish. So I got 1.25-ish. I'm going to go up to the line. There it is right there. I'm going to draw my rectangle straight across. There's one of my rectangles. Good luck trying to do an accurate estimation of that. And then the other one would be 1.25, so 3.75-ish. So right about here.
At this rate, our midpoint might be higher than our right side. But okay.
Might be. That can happen, by the way.
Okay.
Midpoints are so accurate. You can't believe it.
That's perfectly fine.
It happens. All right. It happens how steep it's going up and down, right? That could make a huge difference. Okay. So if I do that, I think I have 2.5 times what? 3.3 plus I'm going to do 2.5 for my base of this one times, I really want to say 5, but no, it's not really 5. It's more like 4.8.
Okay, 4.8.
All right, fine.
No, it's fine.
Now I go dig out my calculator to demonstrate that you can use your calculator as part of the test if they don't have one. As part of the test. Here we go. Are you ready? I got 2.5 times 3.3 plus 2.5 times 4.8, and I get 20.25. See, it wasn't higher.
I mean, it wasn't, but I think that should be like a 4.9, probably.
Even then,
you're on the line.
Even then.
It's like 21.
All right, keep rolling. No rest for the wicked. If you miss this on the AP test, I get to be grumpy. I do. I get to be grumpy, don't I?
And you can get like pizza.
And you get pizza. How could that? By the way, that is high quality pizza, isn't it? Too.
Yeah.
That's the best pizza you could buy right there. Mouth watering is how I describe it.
I don't know, I'm doing writing that. It wasn't even
Four. You guys can do that for your senior whatever.
Senior trip.
Senior trip. I mean, after all, it's you'd be lucky if you get out of town. So my left Riemann sum is 13. I heard a what? Does that make sense? I go up until I hit the thing on my left side. Draw across. Oh, this isn't shaded in.
Oh, well, it's like, look at the thing that is shaded.
It stopped right there.
Yes. Kind of hard to tell.
I know it's impossible to tell, but I did say it out loud, so I guess I get some credit. Yes. I got 13, yes. Why are you raising things? What'd you do? Oh, did you get 13?
I was wondering how you got 15.
But you got 13.
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's all that matters. We're all good there. Okay, now I'm going to do the other way. Here we go. Right Riemann sum. Ew, that's a weird spot. I don't like that at all.
You got 13?
Yes, that is a good
That's what I got.
Nice job.
5, 9, 11.2-ish. Right Riemann sum. What did you do wrong?
How'd you get 0.2?
I got, well, okay. Well, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I did 0.2. I did not
6. So that's 11 and a little bit more.
I just went through.
What are you wrong?
I just went through. Yeah. I didn't do 0.2.
Yeah,
couldn't
I think
do
I'm
all
minus
this.
2 on that one. In my personal.
You gotta go at least up. It misses the corner. Come on now. It misses the corner. I'll take 11.1. I won't take 11. That's wrong. I'm embarrassed for both of us. You said that out
What
loud.
if I do 11.00?
Yeah, ours is.
Our graph is this big.
Ours is.
Look how big the graph is. You can't miss this. Come on now.
Huge. Ours is like this big.
Yeah, right. Yeah. You got young eyes. I got old eyes. It all bounces out.
I'm legally blind.
It's a circle of life.
I sit in this spot.
Okay, halfway between 1 and 4 is 2.5. So my rectangles are going to be split 2.5. What's my midpoint for 2.5? And 1? 0.75, so 1.75, am I right? So I'm going to go up until I get to 1.75. 1.75 hits the bar way up here, doesn't it? Or about here, maybe?
Is it 1.25? No, 1.7.
No, because we're starting at 1 and we're going to 4, right? We're going from 1 to 4, so my halfway point would be 2.5. And between 1 and 2.5, my half would be 1.75, wouldn't it? I mean, add them up divided by 2 if you want to. Are we okay? Okay, so I'm going up here. So I'm going to draw my rectangle in with a lot of crying. How could this be inaccurate? Who knows? That's one of them. Oh yeah, even drew it straight across. That makes it even better. Okay, and then between these two, it had to be what? It had to be so 3.25. So I was starting right about there.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to do a little of this. Now that I have that, I'm going to say clearly this is 1.5 times 4.7.
What?
Full estimation. Okay, I'll let you have that.
Yay.
And then 1.5 times clearly
3.2.
3.4.
What?
Bunch of hoodlums.
What? How did you guys? What?
It's below the halfway point, but just barely.
It's. I'd say it's
Rounding error.
0.3 away from.
You
the
guys can't even
halfway
read your
point.
graphs, they're so small. What are you talking about?
It's like at least 3.45.
Then it's like 11. 12.6 is my answer.
I got 12.2, so.
Oh, I got
What?
Would you have taken 12?
Depends how you do it.
I got a 3.2 instead of a 3.4, so that's like.
I could live with that. Ah, that's really loud.
Okay.
I would.
Honestly, we're not going to let you estimate them too much longer. The equations are making it the hard way. But you're getting an idea, and that's what's important. I'm at 16 again. No, 10. 10. Pause. Yes. I'm sorry, what?
You should be professor.
Professor what?
Calculus. Or, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Professor of life.
They don't let people like me teach it at real places.
Why?
They get grumpy. Like, what is this guy doing? He doesn't know what he's doing. Stop. No, I didn't make up these worksheets. I kind of did, but that's okay. Chuck E. Cheese is calling me. I had things to do. All right, so left Riemann sum says if I'm going to do equal size 1, on the bottom, I would do 1. These are equally spaced 1. As per the instructions say, I should use bases of 1. I'm going to go up the left-hand side until I hit my graph, which is right here. Then I'm going to draw straight across and come down. And that gives me a rectangle. How big, sir? Mr. Sutton? How big is that rectangle I drew?
Would it be 3 by?
That'd be 3. And now
Okay.
I come up here until I hit the left, go across, come back down. I got theme music now. 2.
What?
All right, then up, and then across, and then down. How many have that for, sir? 3. And so, what is the area using a left Riemann sum approximation?
Would you just add those 3 numbers?
Yes, I would. Did you just say it?
You.
Shouldn't take this long. Did you say it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to assume you said it right, too. And everything. All right, here we go. We're going to do a right Riemann sum, which means we go up to the line until I hit the right-hand side. Right Riemann sum, hit to the right-hand side. To hit the right-hand side. That's going to give me 2 and a 3 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got a right Riemann sum of 10. So far, so good? Now I need to do a midpoint Riemann sum. To do that, I've got to split in 2 equal pieces, it says. So I'm going to split it in 2 equal pieces. I'm going to note that between 1 and 4 halfway points here. If that's a halfway point, then so 1, and this is 1.5 over this way, so it's going to be 0.75 is the midpoint of the midpoint. I'm going to go up until I hit the line, right about there. I'm going to draw straight across. I'm going to note that this area here has to be 1.5, the base, times the height, which looks like it's darn close to 2, but I'm going to say it's 2.1. Okay. Because it's above.
Sure.
It's above.
Okay, sure.
It's above.
Sure.
And then I'm going to, between this 2.5, I need to be 0.75 this way, so it's 3.25. How about there, maybe? And that's going to give me 1.5 times.
How'd you get 2.1?
It's above the line.
No, it's not.
He's just drawing a thicker line doesn't make it more above the line.
Hey, now. Imagine how great my YouTube videos would be. All right. Stopping there because you can add those up on your own.